Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking fit and prepping contact points. Place the ball into your dominant hand and spread fingers so fingertips and pads make even contact. Thumb should anchor low and opposite. Once done, flex the wrist slightly to form a concave pocket in your palm. That curve is what holds the ball. Make sure you add a little tack if needed, chalk or light grip spray. This step explains why fit finger spread and a palm pocket let you control the sphere before the approach. You accelerate into 2 powerful strides, converting forward momentum into upward force. Plant strong on the takeoff foot and drive your knee up to add lift. As your hips explode, bring the dunk arm up under the ball, pulling it close to your body so the palm pocket remains engaged. Extend through the shoulder while you cup the ball with fingers and palm, and then lock the wrist at the peak to stabilize. This sequence balances vertical force and secure hand positioning, so the ball stays palmed. You finish by leaning into the rim and guiding the ball with a controlled wrist snap. Aim to keep the palm pocket intact until the last moment so you can push through the rim rather than fling. Make contact with the rim plane using the elbow and forearm alignment to protect the hand and maintain control. If the ball starts to slip, slow the approach slightly, widen the fingertip spread, and consciously lock the wrist earlier on the ascent. That troubleshooting tip fixes most palm failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.